In the early 1960s, the same building that houses the Eagle River Nature Center was once a lodge serving the people of Eagle River. It fell on hard times and was purchased in 1980 by Alaska State Parks. After renovations, this once lodge became the Chugach State Park Eagle River Visitor Center. By the mid 1980s, after oil prices plummeted, the visitor center was losing its budget and cutting employees. By 1995, the visitor center had one part-time employee and a volunteer naturalist. With the loss of money and staff, Alaska State Parks sought proposals to keep the visitor center open. Friends of Eagle River Nature Center was born and opened their doors in 1996. In 2005, Friends of Eagle River Nature Center was awarded a 25-year contract to continue their operation of the visitor center. Today, the Nature Center offers 4 public overnight facilities, interpretive classes, 10 miles of trails, and 2 backcountry campgrounds. The methods used for this assignment are library research, internet research, on-site interviews, and photography. A full list of references is provided at the end of this presentation. Place dependence plays a vital role within the Nature Center grounds. While interviewing a mother and daughter taking in the self-guided geology tour, the mother stated, "It is one of the only places we can go to simply enjoy being outside and learn something as well." Her daughter's response to why she comes here:
Well, I like it here because it's fun and I like looking for animals and hiking the trails.
during the summer months, visitors can enjoy wildlife viewing, camping or yurting, hiking the 10 miles of maintained trails, or for the more adventurous, a 25-mile traverse from the Nature Center to Girdwood, Alaska on the historic Iditarod Trail. Winter months bring with it a chance for cross-country skiing, snowshoeing, or dog mushing. The Nature Center is a foot traffic only area which leaves out recreational activities some would like to see. On one hand, you have those that would like mountain biking to be allowed, and those opposed say it would create dangerous encounters with the 40,000 visitors using the trails as well as the wildlife. If this was presented, my suggestion would be to install bike-only trails on the grounds. This would alleviate the chance of unsafe encounters between both hikers and wildlife. Increased visitation has brought issues with the backcountry campsites. Vandalism has taken its toll, and Nature Center staff have been working to rehabilitate them. A permit system could be put in place to limit the amount of people, thus leading to more accountability with those using the campsites. Snowmobile use is also restricted due in part by regulations from Alaska State Parks. Only in designated areas can snowmobile use occur. For those wishing this type of recreation, a river access is located prior to entering the Nature Center, but use of snowmobiles on Nature Center grounds is off limits. After spending numerous hours within the Nature Center grounds, I will admit I truly wouldn't want anything to change. The Nature Center offers an opportunity for educational recreation in relative peace and quiet. With a host of interpretive programs, a self-guided geology tour, chance encounters with a variety of wildlife, backcountry overnight accommodations, maintained trails for young and old, and the opportunity to immerse oneself in nature, the Eagle River Nature Center will always be a special place for recreation.